So aldehyde and ketone, in the addition reaction of aldehyde and ketone, how the addition of ammonia or addition of derivatives of ammonia is to be considered. So first of all, as you know, ammonia is NH3. We will learn the addition of all these compounds by considering first the common example. But before that, this is NH3, originally ammonia, and its derivatives will be formed by the removal of hydrogen and addition of Z. Z is what? Z is maybe any the displaced element added or ion or compound. So the Z, when is added, it is NH2Z. This will be used as common formula where Z may be hydrogen element only, sometimes alkyl group. In alkyl group, any number of carbons, methyl, ethyl, propyl are possible, as well as aryl is also possible. So benzene ring can be taken there. NH2 is to be taken as Z, and NH2 is there, NH2, NH2, that will be hydrazine. OH is to be taken, also can be taken as a Z, and we will obtain NH2OH, that is hydroxylamine. So this type of different structures are to be used in this reaction. First of all, let's learn about the common reaction, then we will consider some examples. So first of all, this is carbonyl carbon and the common formula of aldehyde and ketone. You can see here, if I take R and H, this is called aldehyde. And if I take both side R, it is called ketone. But friends, as we are considering only general example, a common example, this both are to be hidden. Only this is common structure of aldehyde and ketone is to be considered here. And NH2Z, this is the first part of reaction in which addition is taking place. What happened here? This part will be added here. Please look at here carefully. This is unchanged. This is double bond and oxygen. It will be break down into single bond with oxygen. And one hydrogen, friends, from here will move with oxygen. So what is left here? Here we will have NHZ. So this is NHZ added to the extra bond of oxygen here. This is intermediate product. In second step of the same, friends, water molecule is to be removed. OH from this and H from nitrogen. And friends, double bond will be formed between this carbon and nitrogen. This is the final product we obtain. This is common formula, friends. So let's check it out how it works. So first example I am considering here, if Z is equal to taken OH, hydroxyl group. So what is the reaction? We can consider CH3, CH, and this is double bond. This is acetaldehyde. When reacting with our NH2 and OH, this OH is instead of Z. This is hydroxylamine. In first step, as we have seen, addition reaction takes place, and this is CH3 CHO. You can see this is the fourth bond, double bond from oxygen is broken here, and now this hydrogen will move here. What is left? NHOH. So this is NHOH. This is addition reaction of first step called intermediate. You can also say acetaldehyde hydroxylamine to this acetaldehyde hydroxylamine. This is the combination of these two written as a name of intermediate. Okay. In next step, friends, this OH and this H will remove SH2O, and friends, this is CH3 CH. This bond will be added here, double bond NOH. This is acetaldehyde and this is oxime product. That's why it is called acetaldoxime. The- This is CH3 CH double bond NOH. Acetaldoxime is the name of product obtained here. So this is all about the Z if taken as OH. Friends, if we consider Z is equal to any other component, any other from this NH2 can be taken, H can be taken, or anyone. In that case, we obtain the different product. For a last example, if we consider Z is equal to NH2, in that case, this is CH3 CHO acetaldehyde plus this is NH2 NH2. NH2 NH2 is known as hydrazine. It's very important. Hydrazine is important compound. What happened? Once again, in first step, it will be CH3 CH. This is O. One hydrogen from here will added here. This is NH NH2. This is called acetaldehyde hydrazine. So here in intermediate product, we can write acetaldehyde hydrazine. In next step, OH from here, H from here will removed and we will obtain CH3, CH, double bond, and NH2. This is friends hydrazone. So the name is acetaldehyde hydrazone. When two hydrogens are removed, it is hydrazone instead of hydrazine. So this is the product. Now, this is two examples we have taken. We can consider much more from this aryl or alkyl and we can get different compounds.